Another important and new quest on the PAWS airdrop, if you come to the end section right here on your PAWS mini app on Telegram, and you come to this limited, you see almost last quest. So we are gradually coming to the end of the PAWS airdrop, and this very quest attract plus 5,000 PAWS. And it is very simple to do this quest. So I want us to do this quest together right now. And if you look at this quest very well, you discover that there is 5 finger here or your entire palm, and it's very simple to do. All you need to do is to place your 5 fingers on your phone or place your entire palm on your phone. Okay, once you do that, this very quest will be completed and you can be able to claim. If you look at these very points, it's just 11 hours plus 24 minutes remaining. So let's do it right now. I'm going to place my 5 fingers or my entire palm on my phone right at this very point. Okay, and once you do this, this quest is going to go through, and this is what you need to do right now. So place your entire palm. I just did that right now on my phone. This is my phone right here. Okay, and I've done that. That is why you are seeing this very claim button becoming active. Now, another thing you can do if you're having challenge is to go to this very 3 dots right here. Okay, if I click on this 3 dots and then you refresh the page, that means after refreshing the page, you should be able to see this claim option, or you refresh the page and redo again. Put your entire palm on your phone. Once you do that, then you can be able to claim. So I can claim this very plus 5,000 pounds right now. Remember, almost last quest. It seemed to me as if PAWS is going to come aboard early next month or latest March, as I was talking about on this very channel. Do this quest right now, especially for those of us that have not reached that 300k PAWS mark on the PAWS web page. And this is the new task you must have to complete to get plus 5,000 PAWS. Please consider supporting this channel by leaving a like for this video, subscribe if you have not, and turn on the bell notification for more crypto videos like this one. And also check the channel for other crypto content. Thanks for supporting this channel.